Yeah. We about to over deliver. Somebody say over deliver. We about to over deliver for y'all today. Promise y'all that. You guys are gonna walk away with some tools that you can implement that's gonna change your life, change your community, change your schools. And this is what this is about, right? And I just got back from Virginia literally 2 days ago, speaking at a school. And man, like when I tell you, like it's amazing how fast your life can change when you make the right decisions. I just made my mind up, y'all. I said I'm sick and tired of living the way that I was living, and I want to make sure that my kids are straight for life. And I'm planting a lot of seeds that I may not even see the shade from the tree. But I know that, hey, somebody can say, or they can say, my dad planted that tree a couple years ago at the Respect Conference. And as you guys go on your journey, where's the seniors at? Woo-wee. Listen to me, it's about to get real. Yeah, it's about to get real, seniors. I promise y'all, right? Okay, cool. So let's just do this. I already know this. So how many of y'all know McDonald's? Show of hands. Okay, cool, right? How many of y'all know Burger King? Okay, let me ask you this. When you hear McDonald's and Burger King, what do you think about? Food. Okay. Now outside of food, right? Let me ask y'all this. Is their customer service on point? Sometimes. Yeah. So have you ever been to the McDonald's on Broad Street? How'd that be? I want to ask that real quick. How's the experience? Anybody can. It's not. Get. Ooh. She said ghetto. Huh, King? Yeah. And so here's the thing I want you guys to understand, right? With McDonald's and Burger King, right? You guys all know that they have fast food. That's what they're known for, right? But here's the crazy part, right? Their service is not there. And so let me ask you this. Are they average or are they excellent? Ooh, talk back to me, please. He said below average. My dude, man. He said below. Like I'm pulling up, man. Listen to me. I promise you, man. I don't care if I'm driving for 52 hours. And if I see a whole road full of McDonald's, I am not stopping. I'll starve myself. Just because of the level of service that they have. Oh, bro, you already know what time it is. You jumping all in my slides, man. Let me get there, man. Right? So let me ask you this. When you think about Chick-fil-A, what do you think about? Right? Right? And so when it comes to Chick-fil-A, here's the difference between McDonald's, Burger King, and Chick-fil-A. McDonald's and Burger King, they're money driven. They're not relationship driven. That's why you can go to any Chick-fil-A and the experience is the same. You go to McDonald's, you cussing me out, Shaniqua. Sorry if there's a Shaniqua in here. But you cussing me out because you got my order wrong because you're more worried about getting paid instead of serving and delivering at a high level. See, I've never been to it. Well, I've been to one Chick-fil-A in Miami and I almost lost myself. I heard them cuss. I said, oh no, this is not Chick-fil-A. He swiped it. He said some word. I was like, oh yeah, back out. We getting up out of here. This is not the Chick-fil-A. This is not excellence, right? And so I remember my son, he came up from Syracuse, New York, and we was in Seattle, Washington. And as we was there, I told my son, I said, son, you ever been to Chick-fil-A? My son was like, nah, Dad, never been to Chick-fil-A. Never a day in my life. I said, they ain't got Chick-fil-A in Syracuse, New York? He said, nah. I said, really? I said, well, come on. I'm going to go give you a quick experience. And so we pull up. And as we're in the vehicle, I said, son, now hold on. It's about to go down. So I want to let you know that. I don't know if you ever had this experience before or not, but it's about to go down. Somebody say about to go down. Right? So I'm in the car with my son. I look at my son look at me. I said, son, watch this. Pull up. Hey, how may I help you? I said, ma'am, can I get the spicy chicken sandwich with the waffle fries and the lemonade? She said, anything else? I looked at my son, Jaymon. I said, son, do you want the same thing? I'm telling you, it's busting. He was like, yeah, Dad, I definitely want the same thing. I said, now, if they don't say my pleasure, they're not legit, son. Told him that. My son looking at me, I'm looking at him. He said, Dad, I ain't gonna hold you. I said, Jay, I ain't gonna hold you. He said, Dad, I ain't gonna hold you. I said, Jay, I ain't gonna hold you. I said, now watch this. She said, is that it? I said, yes, ma'am. I said, thank you. What did she say? My son looks at me. He goes, Dad. in the seat, Dad. They said my pleasure. I said, oh, OJ, you didn't see nothing yet. This is just the beginning. We pull up. We get the food. Order for William? I said, yes, ma'am. She gave me the food. I said, thank you. Guess what she said? My pleasure. My son done fell out 5 times, had to revive him again. Now we pull in the parking lot. I said, son, we can't wait to get to the house to eat this. We got to eat this now. I'm telling you right now, why it's hot. So we pull in the parking lot. My son gets the food. I said, make sure you take that Chick-fil-A sauce. Took the chicken, put it in there. He ate it. He said, wait a minute, Dad, this is different. I said, I told you it's different because they made you feel from the beginning like they already knew you. It's relationship driven, not money driven. Oh, come on, somebody. It's relationship